Why are you looking at me like that?
Like what?
What else do you have today?
Other than practice? Nothing. No tests or anything.
Maybe it would be fun if we just went somewhere?
Like after school?
Or even now? You have a nice smile.
You don't talk about it.
He came home one day and told us he got a big promotion. He took us out to some French restaurant to celebrate. Went to a movie, and he paid the guy some crazy...
Sometimes people need a break. Life gets too much.
See you tomorrow. Hey. It's me. Remember?
Actually, I do recognize you.
Seriously, why are you doing this? Nothing. Do me a favor and don't talk to me again today. I'm sorry. I lost control. Dad, why do you paint?
You never ask about my work.
Hey, babe, what are you doing here?
I think we need to take a break. You don't see me. You have no idea who I am.
Hey, what are you doing?
I had no idea what I was doing.
Want some juice or something?
Sure.
Apple or orange?
Orange.
Conrad, maybe you should go home and get cleaned up, okay?
Oh, yeah.
What's going on?
Hey, Grace. Your mom was just giving me a glass of lemonade.
There's some more in the fridge. Whoa. What is this place?
Come on, I'll show you.
How's it going?
It's going. Just out taking a walk.
Is it cool if I join you?
Yeah.
I was young. Once. I was 16 years old the summer I met Grace Turner.